Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you're interested in cybersecurity? That's awesome. It's a super important and honestly really interesting field. But maybe you're thinking, okay, cybersecurity, but where do I even start? And I feel you, it can seem pretty overwhelming at first. That's why today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity certifications. We'll be breaking down the top 5 certificates out there, the ones that are really going to make your resume stand out. So, let's get started. Alright, first up, we have the heavy hitter, the CISSP, or Certified Information Systems Security Professional. This certification is like the gold standard in the cybersecurity world. It's globally recognized and it tells employers that you're serious about security. This cert is designed for experienced security professionals. Think security managers, security analysts, IT directors. The exam itself will set you back around $699. You're looking at a solid 6 months to a year of hitting the books. Next up, we've got the CEH, or Certified Ethical Hacker. This one's for all you aspiring white hats out there. The CEH is all about teaching you how to think like a hacker, to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. You'll learn about things like penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and incident response. The CEH exam costs around $1,199. You'll want to dedicate a solid 3 to 6 months to studying. Now, maybe you're just starting your cybersecurity journey. That's where CompTIA Security Plus comes in. Security Plus is a great entry-level certification. It covers the fundamental principles of cybersecurity, from network security to risk management to cryptography. The exam fee for Security Plus is around $349. You can realistically prepare for the exam in about 3 to 4 months of focused study. Security Plus is a fantastic place to start. The CISM, or Certified Information Security Manager, is geared towards those in leadership roles. If you're managing security teams or developing security strategies, the CISM is for you. This certification focuses on governance, risk management, and compliance. The CISM exam will cost you approximately $575 if you're an CISA member, and $760 if you're not. You're looking at around 6 to 9 months of study. Last but not least, we have the CISA, or Certified Information Systems Auditor. This one's for all you detail-oriented folks who love digging into systems and making sure everything is secure and compliant. As a CISA, you'll be responsible for auditing information systems and identifying vulnerabilities. The CISA exam costs around $575 for ISACA members and $760 for non-members. You'll want to set aside about 6 to 9 months to prepare. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 cybersecurity certificates you should consider. Remember, the best cybersecurity certification for you is the one that aligns with your current skills and career goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it up and subscribe for more tech content. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a certificate you think should have made the list. See you in the next video.